How to fix Google Play game something went wrong problem. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 million ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix Google Play game something went wrong problem. So guys, for this we have three steps, and I will teach you in three ways. So first step is make sure that your internet connection is on. Please make sure that your internet connection is on, because sometimes the connection get off automatically. So guys, the second step is you have to go to your phone settings. You have to go to your phone settings, and you have to go to install apps or app manager. Now you have to go to your Google Play games. Here is it. Click on Google Play games, and then you can see here force stop button. Click on force stop and press OK. And then again you have to click on storage, and then you have to clear all the data here. Just click on clear data, OK, and go back. And you can see your app permission. Click on app permission, and then you have to allow this permission. Now the third step is you have to go to your settings, and then click on about phone, and just press on systems update. So now wait for a while, and just see whether there is anything available for the update. Just update it. The problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.